Let's make dough. First we add some hot water. Then some brown sugar. Now 2 teaspoons of yeast. You're doing great. So take a break. Let that yeast prove its worth.
Yes. It is worthy.
Now we add an egg. And a sprinkle of salt. Stir, stir, stir. Now add some flour. Hydrate that flour. You're doing great. But it's still too sticky. So add some more flour.
Ah.
So much better. It's coming together now. But still a bit sticky. So a little more flour. And some butter. Mix it all together. And what do you got? Dough. Time to get your hands in there. This dough needs kneading. Looking doughy. Sprinkle a little more flour. Punch, punch, punch. Knead, knead, knead. And we're done. Now just let it rise.